In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Asos coupon codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for Asos coupon code. Right here, go to this website which is called retailmenow.com. And as you can see right here, you have a list with some promo codes that you can use to get some discounts. So for example, if you want to get this 10% discount off your purchase, all you need to do is just tap right here where it says show code. And this is a promo code right here. You can simply copy this promo code from this button and you can use this one in order to get a 10% discount. Also, going back to the main search right here, we have this website which is called GoShare. And as you can see, we also have some promo codes right here that we can use to get some discounts. So for example, let's say you want to get this one with 30% discount right here. All you need to do is just tap on this button where it says get voucher. And this is the promo code. You can simply copy this one from this button right here and you can use it in order to get the 30% discount. So this is pretty much it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.